UParusha Naidoo waqala ukudlala iTabla eneminyaka eyisishiyagalombili. Lezi zigubhu kanye nensimbi kusetshenziswa kakhulu emculweni wasenyakatho yeNdiya. Kuhlanganisa ukushaya kakhulu iminwe, kuhlanganisa nesihlakala ukuze kukhiqize umsindo onesigqi. Kujwayele ukuba kuphelekezelwe umculo kanye nomdanso.
I was born to a home of musicians. My mom being a vocalist, my dad being a harmonium player, and my grandfather who's a beat player and my biggest inspiration.
Umama wakhe ungumculi futhi bavame ukucula ndawonye.
We are very proud because it's music is a very inspirational thing, and to see that she has had that potential, it gave us that made us to be very supportive over her to go forward.
UNaidoo uthi kuyamjabulisa ukukhombisa ukuthi akuwona amadoda kuphela adlala iTabla.
And I am glad to have been part of the first woman that has broken the barrier and the boundaries. I have faced challenges through the years when I was younger, as it being perceived as a male-dominant instrument.
Usadlale emazweni afana neNdiya, iMauritius, iSingapore, iBali naseJalimane.
One that stands out, a highlight, would be having been afforded the opportunity to play in India with a group of ladies.
UNaidoo uthi uhlela ukufundisa intsha enentshisekelo yokudlala lezi zigubhu.